Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps which you can use to build your chatbot assistant for any platform of your choice. So let's start. Step 1 is to identify user intention groups or user intent group for your chatbots, which will eventually be trained on your chatbot so that the chatbot can understand the conversation of your user. Step 2 is to create responses for each of your user intent groups. Step 3 is to create a dialog flow or control flow which tie everything together. Your dialog flow or control flow will map your user intent groups with their relevant response groups. Your chatbot can understand and respond to user question accordingly. So when you implement these 3 steps into any platform of your choice, your chatbot assistant will look something like this. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.